It's my favorite time. What time is it? Do you know what time it is? What time is it? It's my favorite time. Should be your favorite time. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. It's that time. We are ready to put the bell tower all together from beginning to end. Oh, this has been an epic journey with this song, right? So beautiful. So, do remember that the very first line will have a repeat. Now, I find a lot of students just take off to the second line because they can't wait to do those two notes that come in together at the same time. But the first line has a repeat. So we need to repeat that before we go to the bottom line to do our hands together, okay, with our dotted long notes. So please be careful to do the repeat. We are going to do it because we're doing the whole song today. We want to do it all the way through from beginning to end. Okay, you can watch it the first time if you're not sure what's going to happen, but just be aware there's a repeat, and then we go down to do the two notes that are going to come in together, this thumb and this three. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Okay. Okay, we are ready to do the bell tower all the way through. It's my favorite time. Now, there's a repeat on the first line, so we are going to do that repeat. We're going to do it together first, and then we'll separate, okay? Elephant, cat, dog, hold, 2, 3, 4, dog, elephant, cat, 2, 3. Let's do the repeat. Elephant, cat, dog, hold, 2, 3, 4, dog, elephant, cat, 2, 3. Now together, remember? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Well done. All right, we're going to try it again with the finger numbers. 3, 1, 2, and hold, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, and hold, 2, 3. Repeat. 3, 1, 2, and hold, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, and hold, 2, 3. Get ready to do them together. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Well done. Okay, let's try it separate, as in the hands apart. Elephant, cat, dog, hold, 2, 3, 4, 2. Dog, elephant, cat, 2, 3. Repeat. Elephant, cat, dog, hold, 2, 3, 4, dog, elephant, cat, 2, 3. Get ready to do it together. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And last time, we're going to do them with the finger numbers. I almost swapped halfway in the last one. 3, 1, 2, and hold, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, hold, 2, 3. Repeat. 3, 1, 2, hold, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, and hold, 2, 3. Together. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Well done. How did you go with the bell tower? Was it epic? Yes. You know, when I hold concerts for the students that I have, you know, physically that I see every week, there's always at least one student that plays the bell tower, if not 2 or 3. It's a really popular song. It is complicated, you know, because you're going from right hand to left hand and then left hand to right hand, and then you're doing hands together. Like, there's a lot going on. But when you've got through all the parts and you've put it all together, it's just an epic piece. It sounds really musical, and it sounds like you're a master on the piano. You know, you're going from one hand to the other, and then this hand goes to that hand, and then you're doing hands together. I mean, you know, you're amazing on the piano when you get through this song. So I hope that's how it feels, you know, that you are a master on the piano at the moment, because you are. You've just accomplished so much, going from right to left, then left to right, and then hands together. I'm really proud of you that you've got this far. So keep going. You're doing amazing.